Hello everyone, you are watching Coursera Programming, and in this video I will show you how to write a program on a pattern. As you can see, the pattern is a left-sided triangular pattern. So we will see how we can write this program. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows and 5 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Okay, so we have to take two variables which will be I and j. I will be our row and j will be our column. Okay, both will go from 1 to 5. J will also go from 1 to 5. But you have to see one thing, that every time I is 1, j is 1, I is 2, j is 2. So j depends on I. So instead of 1 to 5, j will go from 1 to I. Okay, so this is our concept. Now we will write the program. First we have to include include stdio.h void main, which will be our main function. Inside this we will take variable integer I, integer j for loop to run two loops. Okay, so first we will write the loop for the rows. For I equals to 1, I smaller than equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will be smaller than equals to 5, I plus plus. Then after I, which will be a row, we have to check for columns. So we will then write the function or the loop for j equals to 1, j smaller than equals to I, because j depends on I, j plus plus. Then we have to print the following pattern. From this pattern you can understand that the number that are being printed is the value of none other than the value of the column, which is j. So when j's value is 1, printing 1, j value is 2, printing 2. So we have to print %d, since it is an integer type variable, and the value of j. Okay, and after each time it prints and it goes till the last value, it goes to the next line. So after we complete the column variable, column loop, we have to go to the next line using print f / ln. Okay, so now we have to just close the brackets, and this is our program. Now what we'll do is we will run this program in a computer and check whether it's working correctly or not. And we are back on our computer, and now we'll check whether the function or the program that we have written is running or not. So as you can see, I have already tagged the program in my editor, and now I will use F6 to run the program, and we have received the desired output, and so we know that the program is working. So thank you for watching, and please like this video and subscribe our channel for more programming related videos. And for online internship, you can visit the link below. We are currently I am a campus ambassador for Avigness, so I am promoting the online internship that are available in the Avigna app. You can join any internship from my link below. Thank you.